Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today is my vlog number 10 and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of apple cinnamon cake in a mug. Nothing beats the tempting smell of apples and cinnamon. This is so delicious you won't be able to leave it alone. This cake should carry a warning. This apple mug cake is one of my favorites. It's super moist with a delicious cinnamon flavor and ready in 1 minute. Come on, let's start doing it. Oh my gosh. This is so good. This is so good. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the big thumbs up and comment down below what other things you want to see. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but next week. Peace out.